Hi, welcome back everyone to Mondo. I'm Raymondo. So today we are doing a car. It's a Toyota. This one is. It's the Toyota SFR. Now this car never came to fruition, unfortunately. It was a concept model that was released and was shown off at a car show in 2015. But unfortunately, it never went ahead. And it was almost certainly a Mazda MX-5 underneath, although it was never confirmed to be that. They did sign or agree to a technical partnership, Mazda and Toyota, at the time, and it was thought that this would be very similar to a Mazda. And as you can see, for the size, it possibly is. Now, apparently, this technical partnership did happen around the same time, roughly, that they unveiled the SFR. So, were they actually planning on building a car together? Don't really know. But yeah, the SFR never came to fruition, unfortunately. It's a cracking little car, so we're going to run a lap in it and see how we go on. It was running the 1.5 litre naturally aspirated engine. We have no idea what sort of time this car is going to do, but it handles pretty well actually. I am using the Comfort soft tyres on this, and you will find out later on in a few episodes time that I actually start using Comfort softs for every car. I wasn't actually doing that. It does seem that I was using a mixture of compounds for a couple of the cars, and that will be cleared up because there is an update on the game and it does actually now show what tyres I'm using, but only after the update, unfortunately. So yeah, a cracking little car. As you can see, it handles really, really well. I really enjoyed driving this. It's good fun. So I brake myself a little bit early there, but I'm just trying to post a fast time. As you can see, we're not going to get over 2 minute lap. I'll try and keep it as tight as I can through there. Stepped out just a little bit. But all in all, do it nice and tight through here, guys, and that's going to be perfect through there. I love the yellow paintwork on this car. If I had a choice of colours, I will always go for like a bright coloured green or a bright coloured yellow car. I used to have a yellow car, and I've had a bright coloured green car in the past. So we're going to come through the last corner there, beautifully taken, and we're going to post. Not a bad time actually. Pretty pleased with this time. A 2:02.29. So I'll let you watch the replay of this car now, everyone. Hope you enjoy it. I'll speak at the end. There we go, folks. So let's have a look. We're 8th place with that time. So yeah, pretty good overall. 8th. Just behind that really rapid Roadster and ahead of the Renault 5 RS Turbo. Didn't beat the i3 though, or the Swift Sport. That was a much quicker car, and I think those cars weren't running the soft tyre compound, so they would actually probably go a bit faster as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again next week with another car from the collection. Thank you and goodbye.